Tesla's next software update has front camera washer button and more. Tesla appears to be rolling out a front camera washer button and a number of other features with its next software update, as spotted over the weekend. Code sleuth and close Tesla follower Green the Only has discovered a number of new features coming to vehicles with the 2023.44.1 update, including the addition of a front camera washer button, the addition of Shaka Media Player, and a new ability to adjust playback speed in Apple Podcasts, among other additions still. The front camera washer button comes ahead of the Cybertruck's launch next week, with the electric pickup expected to include the front camera. Green also shared a photo of the button, though the image has since been removed from X. There has been some confusion over whether the new Model 3 Highland would include the front fascia camera, as Tesla originally shared photos of the vehicle on its website that included the new feature. However, initial deliveries of the refreshed Model 3 have omitted the camera, and the automaker has since removed it from all images. As for the playback speed update, Green notes that the associated file is called Apple Podcasts, confirming that the playback speed feature is specifically for Apple Podcasts. Below are all the features Green says will hit Tesla's vehicles with the next update: front camera washer and activation button, Shaka Media Player, Apple Podcasts 1.25x, 1.5x and 2x playback speeds, new IIHS seatbelt reminder mode with higher pitch and frequency. Cabin camera can be used to enable or disable HOV. Lane use requires additional cabin camera permission. Most probable path navigation mode added. New low-voltage battery options added. According to Tesla Scope, the 2023.44.1 software update was first spotted in some cars on Friday, and it's currently just beginning to roll out to vehicles. However, release notes are not yet available at the time of writing. Tesla regularly deploys over-the-air OTA software updates to improve its vehicles, often adding new features and adjustments to the features its cars currently include. Recent examples include the addition of live object on road detection, expected to first debut in China, along with the recent inclusion of congestion fees at superchargers, both spotted in Update 2023.38. Tesla may add live object detection and more in upcoming update. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.